think it's better like this. I think I'll try to talk loud because my microphone sucks. So today we're doing a let's play. I'll be playing with my friends and stuff. Um, yeah. Alright, let's go. Yeah, the only reason I make cheats on is because, first of all, it's hard to find a bed because there's like no sheep, and second of all, food. Yeah, I'm giving myself bed and food, and that's the only thing I can give myself. I swear, guys, alright, this is going to be a 10-minute because I have to go to New York. I'm just kidding. Because I'm going to New York. I'm going to Paul / vlogs. I don't know when is this going to be posted, but I'm posting the same day that I'm recording it. So, I mean, I don't live far from New York. It's pretty. Still have to a couple hours there. I live in. I live in Indiana. I don't know life. I don't know life. All I want is Logan Paul. I recommend this circle because when you're combat fighting, you see that in the middle, you have to break this block. So you can just I don't do anything, but my friends also have a circle. I'm getting mixed up. No apples? No? Simon. Oh my. Better stay in the only one on the... Oh my gosh, that look weak. I don't know, my Minecraft is glitching. Okay, I don't have the base. By the Minecraft my Pocket Edition. This is actually on phone. What is this? I ain't complaining. Oh, sheep. Too bad you weren't pink sheep. Why can't I hit you? Okay, it crashed. It crashed. Yep, okay. Well, it was his major lag. Alright, guys, see you in two. Right now. Where is your hitbox? Yeah, that's the one. Do you even English, bro? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a good kill. What am I? Oh my. Hi, Creeper. How's your day? My day was so awesome. I'm so sorry. My brightness all the way up. Alright, well, I'm just gonna drain my battery more, but listening for the video. Hey, you guys can hardly see it. I can. I can see it. Okay, I'm making so. First of all, I'm just going to explore and then get coal. Explore the things out and then to see where I can see. That doesn't make sense. Alright. Alright. I'll get me some PG channel. No foreign. Just work. Why am I mining that? What's this? Alright guys. Yeah, I know it's better with friends and I'm lonely. I am so sorry guys, but we're gonna have to end the video here. Alright, so this 6-minute, almost 7-minute video. And see you, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye!